Hello everyone and welcome to Pampered Chef Live, our weekly cooking show. My name is Michael and I'm so happy you're joining us today. Let us know where you're joining from and how you're feeling in the chat. Join the fun in the live chat during the episode premiere, or you can leave us a comment on YouTube. Today, Pampered Chef consultant Cami will be teaching us how to make a Mexican sushi roll and a frozen margarita, and you might get a sneak peek of an exciting new release as well. You can find links to these recipes and the featured products below the video. You'll also find there a link to our survey, which you can fill out after you watch for a chance to win a product giveaway. We'll randomly select 3 winners from survey participants and contact them by email. All right, friends, let's hand over to Cami so we can get started. Let's get cooking.
Hi, my name is Cami, and I'm here with...
Hi, my name's Cora.
And I started Pampered Chef 20 years ago. I was looking for a way to make some extra income that was flexible, that fit alongside my family. So, what are we gonna make tonight?
Mexican rolls.
Mexican rolls! All right, you ready to do this?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right, first thing we're gonna make is our avocado ranch drizzle that we're gonna drizzle over our Mexican rolls at the very end. So first thing we're gonna do is we have some ranch dressing in here and we have our creamy jalapeno seasoning mix. So we're gonna add some sliced avocado and we're gonna add some cilantro. Do you like cilantro? Tell us in the comments. Some people think it tastes soapy. All right, so we are using our electric twist and chop today. We're gonna pop it in here and hit our pulse button. Check out how that blade goes up and down and it pulls the food and mixes it all together. All right, check this out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. All right, next thing, we are gonna take our easy roll maker. This thing is so fun. You can make your own sushi with it. You can make frushi. You can make the Mexican roll like we're making. Are you a sushi fan? Tell us in the comments. And this thing is so affordable, so fun. So we are gonna open this up and can you brush this with some oil? We're gonna use our silicone basting brush, our 1-cup prep bowl. Cora's gonna brush this with a little bit of oil. Meanwhile, I had cooked cilantro lime rice. This is a Pampered Chef mix, so tasty, in our 3-quart micro cooker. Love this guy. I love making the 7-minute lava cake with soda and frosting in the microwave. You can steam veggies, do soups and pastas, bake potatoes, artichokes in 7 minutes. Just put an inch of water in artichoke. This steamer is amazing. So check this rice out. Look at that. Love this steamer. And we're gonna use our medium scoop to put our rice in here. All right, can you use our plunger rod now? So you want to flatten down your rice. All right. Perfect. We're gonna fill this with some carne asada meal mix. We put that on our skirt steak. So that's another Pampered Chef mix, super, super yummy. So we cooked our skirt steak with our mix, and then here's our skirt steak. We're gonna use our salad choppers. I love these, they have a lifetime guarantee. My tip is, if you face them towards you, it's easier to chop your meat. This works for chicken, pulled pork. It works amazing for lettuce, and it doesn't cause your lettuce to brown. But I love the salad choppers. All right. And these are dishwasher safe. And you may be wondering about this easy roll maker. This actually has a 3-year guarantee, and it's dishwasher safe, and it is freezer safe, and refrigerator safe as well. So you could, if you don't cook your sushi rolls right away, you could just cap them, put them in the fridge, and make them later. But amazing cleanup with this thing. All right, so we have our steak. We're gonna put our steak in here. You wanna work on putting some steak in here? A couple pieces on each side. We're gonna put some avocado in here as well. Now, a good avocado tip is to pull out the little stem, and if it's green, that's a good one. You also wanna look for avocados that have like a dark color, like brown and bumpy skin on them. That's another indicator. If you want them to ripen faster, what you can do is actually put them in a brown paper bag alongside with a banana or an apple, and that will ripen them a lot faster too. Because, you know, sometimes when you're doing grocery delivery, sometimes they pick ones that are not ripe yet. So sometimes you need to speed the process along. That looks great. All right, that's plenty. All right, so we gotta save some room for the avocado. Can you take a couple of those out? They're gonna be super meaty. All right, so we're gonna take our avocado tool. I love this one. So what we're gonna do is just slice along to open our avocado. And you can fill this Mexican roll with whatever you want. You could even add some cilantro in here. So you could add some corn and black beans even. That'd be fun. All right, one of my tricks is I like to take an avocado and just squeeze it like this, because then, check that out. Now you have your skin right off of it. So easy. And you can use this little guy too to take out the pit. All right, so sometimes it works easier. And then you go like this. And take our knife and just cut through. You cut this. This is our chef knife. All right, be very careful. Great job. All right, you wanna put that in there now? So we're gonna fill some. Just have to be careful to not overfill. You wanna take our mini toaster tongs. And you could even add corn, black beans, some cilantro to your Mexican roll, whatever you wanna put inside. Just be creative with it. And I love our flexible cutting mats. They come 3 to a set and they stay stuck to your counter, and they're not gonna be warped and all crazy on your counter. And you can also take them and curl them up and dump out your trash, or you can dump your filling into things with this. So love these. All right, you gotta try some avocado. Is it good? Yeah? All right, so now we have this all in here. So we are gonna take this guy, put it here, and close it up, lock it, and then you wanna twist it. Thank you. At the top. Twist it and push it down. Now it's the fun part. Now we get to actually make our roll. So we're gonna take our seaweed and we're gonna lay this down here. Take our easy roll maker, take this off. Check that out. So fun. Okay, so now we're gonna take this and put a little bit of water just to help seal it up. There we go. All right, time to serve them up. All right, so we are gonna use our amazing kitchen shears. I love these because they come apart, they're stainless, and they work on raw chicken, any kitchen needs, vegetables, whatever. They are amazing. So we are gonna take them, and Cora's gonna garnish this for us. Now that our rolls are done, check out our chip bar. So we have our amazing new Snackle box. These inserts keep your food cold 4 to 6 hours. So think about your fun summer picnics, sports games, road trips, the beach. Take this guy anywhere. It has the lock-on lid. Love it. So what we have in here is we have guacamole made with our guacamole seasoning. It's just an avocado and you sprinkle this in. We used our electric twist and chop to make the guacamole, to make the salsa. We have refried black bean dip and of course, white queso. I love my queso. So tell me in the comments, are you a salsa, guac, or queso fan? We've got our chips and our chip bar is complete. So what goes best with Mexican food? Margaritas! So we made this key lime margarita mix in our brand new machine. What is this called, Cora?
Freezy Fun.
Check this machine out. What have we made so far?
Coke slushies and salsa ice cream and pineapple ice cream.
So this one is so good right here. This Freezy Fun pineapple mix, it is to die for. So yummy. So it even comes with this fun recipe book right here too. All these great treats you can make. Think about the fun summertime. And I want to remind you, this exclusive product is not even available for sale for customers yet, but get it as a host in April. Time for the best part. Cheers. So good.
Thank you so much, Cami. That was wonderful. Thank you for sharing your time and talent with us. You all just saw our new Freezy Fun Ultimate Frozen Drink and Soft Serve Maker. And if you're as excited about that as we are, there are 2 ways you can earn this new product in April. The first is to book an online or in-person shopping party with your consultant to shop with your friends and family. April hosts can get the Freezy Fun for 60% off with qualifying party sales. The second way to get it early is to start your own side hustle as a consultant right now. Through the end of April, you can earn the Freezy Fun Ultimate Frozen Drink and Soft Serve Maker for free. You'll start a rewarding side hustle in the process and be set up for success right away. We have everything you need for you to succeed and we'll support you along the way. So talk to your consultant to learn more about these options. That's all for today, friends. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you'll join us for another episode of Pampered Chef Live next week with Sandy as she leads from our test kitchen. So don't forget to use the links below to see today's featured recipe and products so you can shop easily with your consultant. And fill out that survey for a chance to win our weekly product giveaway. If you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so we can reach more people with these episodes and so you can get notifications whenever new episodes come out. That's all for us. Thanks again, and onward to April we go. Bye-bye.